What is up, guys? Bonjour, this is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of one of the regional appellations of the Burgundy wine region of France. This is to the north of the Côte d'Or on the Nuits Saint-Georges side, so to the north of the town of Bourgogne. We are looking at how to pronounce this appellation that makes some Pinot Noir wines, in particular Côtes de Nuits Villages. So the S's, all of the S's in this name are silent, as is common in French when it's the last letter. Côte, so do not say côtes, but rather Côtes de Nuits. Do not say nuits, but rather nuit, nuit, Côtes de Nuits. And then villages, not villages, but rather village. Côtes de Nuits Village, appellation of Burgundy of Bourgogne. If you want to learn more about all of the wines from Burgundy, how to pronounce them, and much more, all of the top appellations and all of the top producers and wines from the area, here are many more videos that you may want to watch next. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir.